Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use customized cutout in CapCut PC to remove backgrounds from your video. First of all, open CapCut on your PC and import the video clip by clicking Import in the Media panel. Then drag your clip to the timeline. After that, select your video by clicking on the video. Then you can see here that there are many options. We will directly click on the option called Remove BG. I can see some options here, but there is no option called Customized Cutout because this option is not yet available on PC. It supports mobile only. So you can do the job well with auto removal option. Click it and CapCut will automatically detect and remove the background from your video. CapCut automatically handles the background, but you can make adjustment if needed. Simply review your video by clicking play option.
It was from the time I was 8 years old when I bought my first Timex from 15 pounds. I remember I got it from Argo.
And if it's not perfect, consider trimming or adjusting your footage for better results. And that's it. You have removed the background with CapCut's auto removal feature and you are ready to add new elements or effects to your video. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for the next tutorial.